Poketubers and Pokefans. I'm Clinton.
I'm William.
And we are the Poke Brothers. Alright, well, we got a little setup going on down here. And we got a little something special for y'all. We got a 2017 World Championship deck box from Diego Cassiraga, the Infinite Force. Got a little deal back here. Play like a champion. Let's get to focus. Grab a World Championship deck and play like a champion. Choose one of 4 powerful decks, each a card for card replica of an actual title contender's deck from the 2017 Pokemon Trading Card Game World Championships. Each 2017 Pokemon TCG World Championship decks include 60 card championship deck, 2017 World Championship booklet, a special 2017 World Championship pin, 2017 World Championship deck box. Then we got the deck list right over here, describing everything that comes in it. And over here we got Diego Cassiraga, a Master Champion. Diego Cassiraga steered his deck built around the new Gardevoir GX to victor in the Masters Division. This impressive Pokemon is a combo into itself, with a secret spring ability that lets you attach an energy fairy energy in its infinite force attack that channels that energy into massive damage. With rare candy and Diancie to speed up evolutions, an Octillery to keep your hand full, and Tapu Lele to pull up just the right supporter you need. This deck is a force to be reckoned with. We're going to go ahead and crack in this and show you everything that's inside. And here is the little championship booklet that they give you. Anaheim, California. This is the battles in Anaheim. Then we got the countries participating in the Worlds. And then we got the junior finals bracket. It's like there's a few of them on there. Then we got the seniors. And then we got the masters. And there's some little pictures from the Anaheim Open. It's pretty cool. Then we got all the pictures of the champions, little deck lists as they all used. And that's all the juniors. Then here we have the seniors.
My 2 decks.
We got some more pictures. Then we got the Masters, which is Diego Cassiraga, and the deck that we're going to be focusing on today. This says Diego has been playing the Pokemon TCG for 15 years, which means he started before most of the juniors and seniors divisions were born. And he's passing his love of the game along to the next generation. My son will soon be playing. He's a big fan of the World Experience, citing the special Pokemon Go release as a highlight of the weekend and adding, "I've had tons of fun playing every tournament/game. His Gardevoir deck turned out to be an excellent matchup against the popular Gardevoir decks. The GX attacks remove 10 item cards from the discard pile, leaving no ammunition for Trash Avalanche." Well, that's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got here. We got the 3rd and the 4th place in the Masters Division. And we got more pictures. And then we got the Video Game Championship. And then we got the Pokemon that they used. There is the Pokken Tournament champion. It looks like he mostly used Braxton.
Think so.
And then it's just ending it all up here. And more pictures. Alright. So what else we got in here? A little box of goodies. And we got the deck box. Anaheim Open. World Championship. Let's get it to focus. There we go. We got some cards right here. Then we get the Anaheim Open pen, which is going on my wall. Then we got 2 cards here. We got the Glade with Premonition. Then we got the Gardevoir GX. All these up. Alright. You get 3 copies of the Gardevoir GX with the Secret Spring ability and the Infinite Force, and it's got his little signature right here. Then you get 1 Glade with the Premonition. You get 1 Octillery with the Abyssal Hand ability. You get 3 Curlius. And you get 4 Rots with the Draining Kiss. Then you get 3 Tapu Lele GXs. And 2 Remoraid's. And a Alolan Vulpix. Get it to focus. Can't seem to get it to focus here. And this is the one with the beacon. And search your deck for up to 2 Pokemon, reveal them, and put them on your hand, then shuffle your deck. And a lot of people use this in their decks because it costs no energy to use the attack. So it's very, very helpful.
I use it in my Greninja Break deck all the time.
Then we got 1 Acerola, which lets you. It's basically like an AZ. If you got a Pokemon that has any damage counters, you can pick it up and put it in your hand, but you don't have to discard no cards from it, so it's a lot better than AZ. And then we got 1 Bridget, and it'll let you search your deck for a basic EX Pokemon or 3 basic regular Pokemon. So that's really useful too. Then we got 2 Choice Bands, which lets your active Pokemon do 30 more damage to GX Pokemon and EX Pokemon. So that's a very, very useful card. Then we got 2 Field Blowers that lets you get rid of those pesky tool cards on Pokemon.
Or stadiums.
Then we got 2 Guzmas, which is, it's basically like a Lysander, but you switch yours too. Then we got 3 Ends, which late game these can be very, very deadly, which is good for you sometimes. Then we got 1 Diancie with its Sparkling Wish, and it's search your deck for a card that evolves from one of your Pokemon and put it onto that Pokemon. to evolve it, then shuffle your deck. So, you know, that's really good too, because, you know, the Vulpix, you put in your hand and your opponent just can end your hand away. So that's even better. And then we got 4 Sycamores, which you discard your hand and draw 7 cards. And then we got 1 Hex Maniac, which turns off all abilities until the end of your opponent's next turn, which is really good against Garbodor with the Garbotoxin ability, or the Greninja Break deck. Then we have 3 rare candies, which can let you go from Rots to Gardevoir GX in turn 2. Then we got 1 Rescue Stretcher. And you can pick one. You can put a Pokemon from your discard pile into your hand, or you can shuffle 3 Pokemon from your discard pile into your deck. So, you know, you can use that both ways. Then we got Super Rod, which shuffles 3 advantage combination of Pokemon and basic energy from your discard pile into your deck. Then we got 4 Ultra Balls, discard 2 cards and just search for a Pokemon. Then we got 4 VS Seekers, which allows you to take a supporter from a discard pile and put it in your hand. Which, you know, you reuse that Hex Maniac to stop those abilities.
Nope, there's that Wonder Energy.
Then we have a Special Wonder Energy. And, you know, this card can only be attached to a Fairy Pokemon. This card provides Fairy energy only while this card is attached to a Fairy Pokemon. Prevents all effects of your opponent's attacks except damage done to this Fairy Pokemon this card is attached to. Existing effects are not removed. So basically, this stops confusion and paralyzation and getting put to sleep. So it's really good card.
And sniping.
Then we have 4 Double Colorless, which you all know what that does. It provides 2 colorless energies. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Fairy energies. So that is pretty neat right there. Now we got a World Championship deck just the way he built it. And we got a little special something for y'all. Wrap this video up. And it is a Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion pack. I'm going to go ahead and open it here. I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. We got a Fighting Energy. We got a Dashing Pouch, Fighting Memory, a Diggersby, Misdrevious. Then we got a cute little Pikachu. We got a Chimchimo. Then we got a Magikarp. Then we got a Bumblebee. Then we got the reverse holo is Miss Magus. And our rare is a Registeel with Turbo Arm. Alrighty guys. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And join us in for our next video. Y'all have a good time.